Taking a look at a new Sencut knife. This one is called the Praktisk. Open it up out of the package. It comes in a nylon case. That nylon case has a nice fur interior. Looks like we've got a sticker in here, one of their knives. That's pretty cool. We've got the logo sticker. We've got a warranty, instructions, a microfiber cloth, and then the knife itself. This is a nice looking one. This one's an all yellow tip up clip. Looks like you can flip it to either side. Place for a lanyard. Super easy to open. Nice looking blade. Great color combo with this bright stainless and that nice looking yellow. Very cool. This one's a liner lock. Super easy to open. Really nice look to this one. I really like this yellow color. The Sencut Praktisk. I'll thank them for sending us this one to check out. Hope this helps.